Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at how to create, edit and delete notes within the Leads app. Once the user has navigated to the Leads app, he or she can click on any lead in the landing page. The details view of the same is displayed. The user can create a note by either clicking on this button within the details view, adding associations, the description, and clicking the Save button. Or the user can also click the Activities tab and create a note through the Add Activities button. The user can edit a note by simply clicking on the note either in the Details view or in the Activities tab and making the necessary changes. Finally, the note can be deleted both in the Details view page and also in the Activities page. Thank you for watching.